Post-mortem conducted at the Kenyatta National Hospital has confirmed the late Boniface Mwangi died from a severe head injury caused by a rubber bullet. Pathologist Peter Ndegwa, who announced the results, said 4 bullet fragments were found in his brain, adding that his survival chances were minimal due to excessive bleeding. These as the 2 police officers linked to the shooting remain in custody for 7 more days to allow investigations.
After conducting a post-mortem on the body of Boniface Kariuki on Thursday, pathologists at the Kenyatta National Hospital concluded that the mask vendor died of gunshot injuries he sustained on his head during the June 17th protest in Nairobi.
We have completed the operation and we have come up with a conclusion that the cause of death was severe head injuries due to a single gunshot. The brain is quite disturbed, and the chances of survival are very minimal.
Pathologist Peter Ndegwa revealed that at least 4 rubber bullet fragments were found lodged deep in his brain tissues.
The operation which had been done, I think, to remove the bullet particles, they did, but some of them there were still some particles in the brain. They are rubbery and blackish, and the brain is quite destroyed.
File hiyo wakati ilikuwa inasoma kuhusu miscellaneous, na wakati wakili wetu alifika pale, ilibidi sasa tuwaambie jaji ya kwamba sasa kesi imebadilika, sasa si miscellaneous, si ile vita, sasa imekuwa mada. So tumeacha wakili wakifanya mabadiliko ya file, sasa kesi ibadilike sasa kuwa mada. Hapo ndipo tumefika.
The Kariuki family announcing that his burial ceremony will be conducted on Friday next week in Kangema, Murang'a County. These are somber mood and Gulf Karirau village, with his family, friends and area leaders convened to mourn him.
Ile tungetaka kuomba watusaidie sana kama familia. Juu pia hata hii hama tumekondeshwa tu, hatuna pesa yoyote ya kulipa, na tunaona hiyo muda kabla ufike bado tutakuwa tumetumia tu pesa nyingi.
Tunaomba serikali bando na koti iweze kucompensate family. Saa ingine hiyo compensation haiwezi rudisha ile hali ya maisha ya yule mtoto, lakini itaweza kutibu ama kufanya familia ile shock imeenda through iweze saa ingine kuwasaidia kuweza kumove on katika hali ya maisha.
Meanwhile, the court ordered the 2 police officers, Clinzy Masinde Barasa and Duncan Kiprono, linked to the shooting of the 22-year-old, to remain in custody for 7 more days as the Independent Policing Oversight Authority finalizes investigations into the incident. Extending condolences and sympathies to the family of the deceased on behalf of the court and the judiciary, Presiding Magistrate Ben Ekubi assured the family that justice would be served. Give us Maena Prime Edition.